Hey there glamours, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since my last video, but I'm finally back with something exciting for you all. I've been MIA working on some amazing brand collaboration as you might have seen on my Instagram feed, but now that I'm free, I couldn't wait to dive back into creating content for you all. Today, I'll be using the stunning Jeffree Star palette, which is the Jawbreaker palette, to create this beautiful eye makeup look that's perfect for any occasion. So grab your brushes and let's get started. So first, I just primed up my eyelids with a P. Louise primer in number 0. And now I am going in with M432 from Morphe. I have picked up the shade Delicious, which is a dark blue-ish shade, and just sketching out the outer wing. Always make sure that you start with a very less product and eventually you'll be able to build it up. Build up your eyeshadow colors gradually, starting with the lighter shades as a base and then adding depth with the darker shades in the crease and the outer corner. With Morphe M321, which is a bullet brush, I just packed on some more of the shadow, which is the Delicious. And we are still working with the same shadow. Make sure to blend your eyeshadow well to avoid harsh lines and create a seamless transition between your colors. Now I'm using the brush M456 from Morphe and I'm just slightly blending up the edges for a seamless blend because we don't want any harsh lines. Now I'm picking up the shade Soaked with M506 from Morphe and just slightly blending the edges with this navy blue color because we want a transition from darker to lighter. So that's what I'm doing here, and trust the process. It's going to take a while now. There is no hurry. Take your time to blend the colors well. And I'm still going in with the same brush, and you can see that I'm still blending and it's going to take a while to blend all these shades together. Now I'm going with the shade Brain Freeze with my Morphe M321 bullet brush and just teasing both the colors at the outer corner. This is a very beautiful pastel blue color. Now going back with all the shades again. With B213 Bougie Beauty brush, I am picking up the shade Raspberry. It's a beautiful raspberry shade, and just straight up applying it on top of the blue shade. And with another brush from Real Techniques, this is, I guess, their blending brush. So I'm picking up the shade Cherry Wet and just running it on top of it, the previous shade. And then I went up with the shade Bubblegum and I'm just blending it with a small Morphe blending brush, which is the M506, on top of both the shades. I'm going in with my M152 from Morphe. This is a small blending shader brush and I picked up the shade Suck, which is this beautiful pop of orange at the inner corner of my eyes. And here as well, I'm going to do a transition with 3 shades. One will be this orange, as you can see, and I am blending it very well and going in now with my Morphe M433 with the shade Wow, and straight off the back, I hate this color. I just hate it. I have used so many yellow colors previously, and some of my favorite palettes as well has some beautiful yellow, lemon yellow shades, but this one is not up to the mark, I feel. and I had to go back quite a lot time. And now I'm gonna cut the crease with M166 from Morphe. This is a flat shader brush, or you could say concealer brush, which is very flat and thinnest. You always need to go in with a flat shader brush that is perfect to cut your crease. I'm applying one more coat of my P. Louise base, and I have specifically chosen a white concealer, or you could say a white eyeshadow base, because I want these colors to pop on my crease as well. That's the reason I have used a white concealer, if you guys are wondering. And now I am just smudging the outer corner of the eyeshadow with my bullet brush from Morphe, which is again the M321, and I'm going in with the shade Delicious again, and as well as in the inner corner I went in with the shade Suck, which is orange, and creating that halo effect, because this is going to be a halo eyes, so that's the reason. And I'm just building up all the shades again. And yeah, blending is the key, and also eventually you have to slowly build up the product, because if you take product at once, it's going to look muddy and not pleasant. So now I'm going in with the shade, highlighting shade, which is Jawbreaker, which is this pearlescent white shade. And this is a very beautiful shade, you all. You could just go in with this and that's it. You can stop here. And the brush that I'm using is M152. And the same shade I'm using with the same brush on the inner corner as well. And now I'm going in with this MAC Cosmetics Not Afraid to Sparkle liquid glitter eyeshadow. And let me tell you, this is one of my favorite liquid eyeshadow that I own. And this is very beautiful. These have this multi-chrome glitter particles, as well as this is a clear eyeshadow, you could say, with multicolored chrome glitters. And this is very sparkly. I don't know if the camera is doing the justice, but you can see that how sparkly my eyelids are looking. And you could actually stop right here. Look how gorgeous my eyes are looking. I am seriously in love with it. And now I'm going in with this. This is the Makeup Forever Twinkle Stars Flakes in the shade Evergreen, and I'm picking up with a fluffy blending brush and just applying it. I am lightly pressing on my eyelids. As you can see, this is a duochrome flakes, eyeshadow flakes, and you could say a glitter flakes, duochrome glitter flakes, and these are so sparkly and uh, color shifting. I just love these chrome flakes, you all. And this is just completing that whole entire look. And I've just placed this shadow on the center of my eyelids. Look how beautiful it's looking, right? Do comment down below how you like this eyeshadow look. And I am sorry that I couldn't show you the entire look as my camera was dead, and this is where I had to stop. So you will obviously see the final look at the end. Also, if you try this makeup look out, don't forget to tag me at Style and Glamour by Ulka. And I love to see all you glamours makeup looks and eyeshadow looks, and would love to see all of them. So yeah, don't forget to tag me at Style and Glamour by Ulka. And there you have it, beauties, I hope you enjoyed today's eye makeup tutorial using the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials and beauty content. Also, let me know in the comments below what other makeup looks you'd like to see next. Until next time, stay fabulous. Bye. Take care.